I ask you one simple question. Do you think the equipment will last forever and the performance don't degrade? Do you know that by pressing the RCD trip button, that is only for a mechanical test? And the professional level should be done correctly by doing an injection test. This is injecting half time of the tripping current and it should not trip. Some houses, they have RCD trip frequently, sometimes even lightning, right? What actually happened? It could be it is too sensitive, right? If we inject a half time current, the house trip. This is telling us that the house actually, the RCD is too sensitive.
We are going to show you a RCD which is more than 30 years old, and this RCD tripping timing is 70 over millisecond. Compared to a newer one, it is almost 100% more. We will advise customer to do a yearly test, and we can monitor their tripping timing. If their tripping timing getting higher and higher, we will advise customer to replace it. Now let us look at the new RCD. The new RCD trip half of the time faster than the old RCD. As you can see, it's 38 milliseconds. An important thing everyone must take note, a faulty RCD will still provide electrical current even it is faulty.